How to make a vision board on Canva. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. The first thing you want to do is sign on canva.com, and you can sign up for completely free using your email address. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in vision board. After typing in vision board, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll see numerous templates or examples of vision boards that you can use. So you can scroll down until you see one that you like. And by the way, any one of them that you see with the money sign right there that says paid, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are a lot of free templates that you can use. All you'll have to do is scroll down, and from there you can select one. For example, for this example, let me scroll down and select one real quick. For example, this one. All you'll have to do is tap on it. After you have selected the template you'd like to use, you're going to tap on customize this template. Once you have selected customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. And from here, you'll see this canvas right here. This is your vision board that we'll now be able to edit. So you can see if you would like to change the name. As you can see right now, it is called My Vision Board. For example, if you want to change it to, let's see, the future, you can change it right there. So you can change the text. And by the way, you can also change the font style if you want. So if you would like to change the font style, all you have to do is highlight the text box. Then in the top left hand corner, you can tap right here, and if you would like to use a different font style, you can select a different font style. As you can see right there, you can also change the size of the text, and also if you would like to change the color of the text, you can do that by tapping on the capital A. And from there, let's say I would like it to be in black. All I have to do is tap on that, and then you can see right there that not only has the font size changed, but also the text color. And now when it comes on to adding your photos that you would like for your vision board, all you have to do, you can either download them on Google, or you could go over to the top left hand corner and you could select elements. And let's say one of my visions is, or one of my goals for this year, better yet, is to travel. So let's say I type in airplane. So airplane. After selecting airplane, from here you can select any one of these graphics. So let's say, for example, this graphic right here. After selecting the graphic, you can adjust the size. You can adjust the size, and by the way, as I said, you can edit the text right there if you would like to change the heading. And let's say, for example, I want to add something right there, so I'll add family. So let's say I type in wife. You can do that. Then from there you could choose any one of the graphics right here, or you could choose one of the photos if you want. All you have to do is tap and drag the photo. Then after you have dragged the photo, you can simply minimize the size, as you can see right there. So you can edit the size, as you can see right there. So you can do that. And then you could fill out the entire section. Better yet, let me place this under relationship. And then you could fill out the entire section. And also, if you would like to add a new page, you can do that by simply tapping on add page. After you have added the page, if you would like to fill it out, you can simply type in vision board right here. You have two options. You can type in vision board in the top left hand corner, then tap on enter. So you are going to tap on design, then you'll type in vision board, better yet. Then after typing in vision board, from here you can see, so we could use the same template again for the second page, or you could scroll down and you can use a different template. Let's say, for example, this template right here, and you can see again, you can edit it to your liking. and you can also change the background color if you would want, and you can also change the image color if you want. So let's say for example I want to change the background color. All you have to do is tap on the current color right here. Then you will see a color box. You can tap on the color box, and from here, if you would like it to be blue, you can tap on it. As you can see right there, you can select any one of the colors you'd want it to be. And by the way, if you don't see a color that you like, you can tap on the color box in the top left hand corner, right where you see add a new color. And from there, on this glider right here, you can select the color that you'd want to use. And let's say you want to use a different shade of green. You can select the shade of green that you would like to use right there from the rectangle, as you can see right there. And also, if you would like to add a photo to the background, you can do that. All you'll have to do is select the background, and from there you'll be able to add a photo. And again, you can edit the text, and once you're finished editing it to your liking, all you have to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to select share. Once you have selected share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on download. After tapping on download, you will see file type, and from here you can select the file type that you would like to print. I would recommend PNG, as this is best as you can see for complex images. So after selecting that, all you'll have to do now, after you have selected file type, you're going to scroll down, tap on download. Then from there you can select the page. So I'll recommend that you select individual page. So for example, you'll select page 1, then you'll tap on download, and you can select page 2 afterward, then you'll tap on download. And also, if you would like to add multiple pages, you can do that. All you have to do is tap on add page. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, if you would like a whole different design, you can do that too. For example, let's say I delete this right here. Let's say I delete all of this, or better yet, just create a new page. All you'll have to do is go over to the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on elements. After you have selected elements in the search bar, you're going to type in grids. So you're going to type in grid. Once you have typed in grid, from here you're going to tap on see all. And then you'll see different grids that you can add. So you could add this grid right here and it will cover the entire background, or you can simply type in, better yet, you could type in frame, then select circle frame, then you'll tap on see all. After you have selected see all, let's say for example I want to add this right here, and I want to add one more right here. After you have done that, now you can go up to the top and select design. And after selecting design, or better yet, we're going to be selecting elements, the second option. So once in elements, you're going to tap right here, and in the search bar, let's say for the new year, I want a dog also. So I'll type in dog. Then from here, you can select the dog that you like to add, and you can simply add it right there. Let me do that. So I'll select the circle. Then I'll go over, tap on the pet that I want, and then I can add. So let's say I want to add a dog. All I have to do, let's say for example this photo right here, all you have to do is tap and place it in the circle, as you can see right there. And let's say for example this one, you can place it right there, as you can see. And again, you can change the background color so it doesn't have to be plain, or you can add a photo or so on if you want to the background, as you can see right there. And again, all you'll do is go up to the top right hand corner and tap on share to print everything. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.